How to change your Microsoft account's password. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our Microsoft account's password. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to change your Microsoft account's password, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do is first log into Microsoft account from account.microsoft.com. And on the left hand side, you can see this option called security. Just go towards it. From security, you'll find various options. At the top, you can see this option called change password and last updated on this date. So just click on the change password menu right there. And when you've done that, it will ask you to approve a sign-in request from the Microsoft Authenticator app. So depending on whatever two-factor authentication it is that you have, you can go ahead and then simply select that. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then enter a new password without having to remember my old password. You can go to sign in also. You can also choose to send a code or do whatever else. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.